Hey, hello everyone. This is Mr. Hu. So yesterday we were talking about the real number part for alpha. We only divide it into two sections, right? One is even numbers, one is odd numbers, because that's easier to understand. So today we're gonna broaden that range. We're gonna cover all real numbers. So first, let's think about it. Real numbers is something like, for example, 1.577. It's 1 plus 0.577, right? If it's infinite, just infinite, 1.755554, dot, dot, dot. Same deal, 1 plus a decimal. So basically, every single real number we can write down as a number plus another decimal numbers. That decimal can be finite or infinite. So that's how we start these questions. So we set alpha can be two ways of writing it down. B plus F or C minus G. So let me explain to you why. I write down two expressions. All right, so first, B is even. F, we define F is between 0 and 1. Same deal, C is odd. And we define G is between 1 and 0. All right, so why we define this way? I like to make examples for us, for myself to understand. Of course, it's also for you. So, for examples, alpha equal 2.6. We can write down as a number 2 plus 0.6. That fit our first part, right? Even number plus a decimal. Or we can write down 3 minus 0.4. That also cover the second case. So when we're doing proving questions like those IMO, it's not like a school exam we find the answers. We want to prove things. We want to cover all the possibilities. So these two formats gonna cover the possibilities. Of course, when you prove, we'd like to prove each of them. All right. So let's prove the first. All right. So let's prove alpha plus B equals B plus F. And of course, we choose the rounding down part. So we denote like this. All right. So is that true? First, let's try, right? Alpha equal to 2.6. If I round it down, that's a 2. So B plus F, which is 2 plus 0.6 round down. 0.6 round down to what? 0, right? So this is 2 plus 0, that's 2. Oh, it works. Perfect. So now we can rewrite the whole series to be, all right. Actually, it's kind of similar to the thing we did yesterday. We can write down this to be B plus 2B plus 3B plus dot 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 all the way to NB done plus 1 rounding down F plus 2 rounding down F dot 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 all the way to N rounding down F. So that is exactly like the one we did yesterday. Now we have a what? Arithmetic sequence. So we have B times 1, 1 plus N, N times N plus 1 divided by 2, right? Same as the right side, plus, all right. So let's talk about our left side first. Yesterday we already proved B is an even number. That's how we define. So this one must be able to divide it by N. So you don't have to prove again. Yeah, that works. What about this part? What about this part? You cannot really use this definition right away. Why is that? Because F is a decimal. It's not an even number. It's not a whole number. So you don't know, right? So what we can do, think this way. We let M is the number which multiplied by F just greater than 1. Just. What does just means? The smallest number M can be to multiply by F greater than 1. Just greater than 1. For examples, F is 0.6. All right. What number multiplied by F just greater than 1? 2. Because it's 1.2. M equals to 2. Any other numbers? Of course, the infinite numbers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Every single number multiplied by f greater than this number will more than 1. But we pick the slowest. All right, we pick the smallest, which is 2. All right. So why we need that part? Because think this. M multiplied by f just greater than a 1. What about m minus 1? Gonna be less than 1, right? What about n minus 2? That's gonna be less than 1 as well. Dot, dot, dot. Which means all the terms before here, besides the last one, because we let m equal to n, right? If I let it. So this will be m. Every term before the last term will be what? Less than 1. So rounding down less than 1, every single of them will be 0 plus 0 plus 0 dot dot dot. Besides the last one, mf, which rounding down equal to 1, which means I cannot be divided by n because all these can, because 0, fine, 0 divide anything is 0. The last one is something actual, so that doesn't work. That means this whole equation doesn't fit every condition, so that doesn't work. We proved when we write down this format, even number plus a decimal, it's not working. So same reason, you can prove this one by yourself, and you're gonna find out it doesn't work neither. So the answer is just what we find last time, all even numbers. All right, thank you for watching, and if you like my videos and you want to explain more questions, please subscribe and the comments. Thank you.